Hello, I'm Dr. Rachel of Evolve Dental in Kenmore. Let's talk about teeth whitening. We all want to have a beautiful, natural, bright, white, fresh, youthful smile. And teeth whitening is a brilliant way of being able to achieve that very simply, very affordably, without harming or damaging the teeth. And you can control how white they go. So if you want a really bright movie star Hollywood smile, you can do that. Or if you just want them to look fresher and not so yellow or aged, then whitening's also perfect for that. So if your teeth are stained, yellow or discolored, tooth whitening is probably a good solution for you. Now, there are times when tooth whitening is not going to work, and that's why it's very important that we assess you and work out the best options to give you the smile and the cosmetic results that you want. But in 90% of cases, if you want brighter, fresher, whiter looking teeth, then teeth whitening is the simplest and the most affordable and the quickest way to do it. So we want to provide you with products that not only work well, but are also gentle on your teeth and body. So we recommend whitening gels that lighten your teeth without using really harsh or aggressive chemicals that can lead to tooth sensitivity and discomfort. So what does tooth whitening involve? Well, to do this professionally, we need to make an initial assessment of your dental health. We've got to check that your gums and teeth are in good condition and that you're dentally fit and suitable for whitening. We don't want to be putting whitening in where there's cavities. That's going to be really painful. So there are two ways to do whitening. You can do in chair at the dentist, or you can have custom made, made to measure take-home whitening system. The at-home or take-home whitening is more affordable because you're not having to pay for the use of the activation lights or the chair side, clinician, dentist fee, and you can do it in the comfort of your own home. However, the take-home involves several applications. It can take a few days for you to start seeing results. So if you want instant results, or you just simply can't be bothered or don't have the time to do it at home, then the perfect solution is let us do it for you and have in-chair whitening at our Kenmore clinic. If you notice that your teeth are yellow, you saw it in a photograph, and every time you look in the mirror, it's the first thing you notice, and it's got to the point where you're not so confident to smile in public, then let's look at teeth whitening. Because having teeth whitening done, it's become a really #1 treatment in our practice for our patients. The solution to having a wider, brighter smile is just so simple with teeth whitening. And once you have it done, you just can't stop smiling. So how does it work? What is teeth whitening? Well, it's a procedure that removes stains and discoloration from your teeth. We do it using whitening gels that are specifically chosen to give you great results, but without harsh chemicals, because we don't want you to have sensitivity or any compromise to the strength of your teeth. So why do teeth discolor? Well, age. Our teeth get darker as we get older and our hair goes white. That's not fair, is it? But the things like genetics, poor oral hygiene, accidents where a tooth's had a trauma, types of medications, the effects of aging, as I've said, smoking, certain foods, tea, coffee, red wine, turmeric, etc. Now, whitening techniques will work very well if the discoloration's mild. Teeth that are heavily darkened or discolored, it may not work right for you. So this is why we need to assess and give you the best options. And here veneers might be a better solution because we can cover over the teeth and get rid of the discoloration. But we'll be able to let you know at your consultation what's the best solution for you. So with whitening, we can give you that movie star smile in around an hour. First, we check your teeth for any cavities, because if you get the whitening gel in there, it can cause serious damage and pain to your tooth. If you do have cavities, they do need to be repaired before your tooth whitening takes place. If everything's healthy, we'll begin the whitening process. The process is quick, it's easy, it's comfortable, it's done under my supervision. Our whitening treatments are very safe and they're not going to harm your teeth or gums. If we use the custom-made whitening trays and gels, it's a whitening system that lasts a very long time, so you can get white. They will get a bit of whitening loss over time, but not so much if you maintain good dental habits. But you can use your take-home trays and the gels to top them up. So we take an impression of your teeth, we make you the custom trays, go through the instructions, and you do that at home. Now you might be thinking, well, I could just get an over-the-counter whitening kit. Well, yes, you can. The disadvantages of those is they don't fit your teeth very well. So you can end up with a patchy, mottled appearance where some parts of the tooth or some teeth are whitened more than others. The concentration of the gel is not as strong as what we can prescribe for you. So you often don't get any noticeable effects, or if you do, it's going to take a lot longer to get you there. So we're going to prescribe the correct chemical concentration, the correct method for you, and the right length of time for treatment to make sure your teeth are whitened without doing any harm to your tooth enamel. So if you're unhappy with the colour and the shade of your teeth, they look too yellow, too dark, too grey, too stained, and you would like them to look white, bright and fresh, give us a call on 37201811. Let's get you booked in for an appointment and talk about how we can do tooth whitening for you.